So first I want to thank Delta for inviting us here. I think that it's been a very useful event. Different people from the industry, different point of views. It makes you think a lot how we need to design the future data centers. So I think that it's really good event. Being here also in Thailand, a country that is evolving and growing a lot, and there's a lot of future here. So I hope there will be more events like these, and let's see you next time.
A big thank you for inviting me to the Delta Future Summit today. It is a very important event where numerous stakeholders have gathered to share and talk about a very important issue of climate change. I hope that as an industry, when we come together, we are able to create the change, combat this existential problem of climate change. It does not just require private sector, it also requires the public sector to come together and collaborate to create win-win solutions for the industry. Thank you.
It's been great being here at the invitation of Delta. I think the event has been very well organized. I think the topics of discussion today were also very topical and very consistent with what we are facing today in terms of building a sustainable future, a low carbon future, a net zero carbon future. So I think in terms of the topics, what I found most interesting was obviously in my section of work, which is on EV charging. I think it was insightful to learn from my Thai counterparts here in terms of how Thailand is approaching EV adoption journey, and to see parallels between what Thailand is doing and also what we see in Singapore as well. The last point is really, I think, in terms of the data center discussion and panelists who are presenting. I think it was quite interesting as well to learn certain new terms, for example, hyperscale and also PUE. So I think those have been my key takeaways from this very well organized conference with Delta. So thank you very much, Delta Electronics, for the kind invitation.